In this video, I'll guide you through how to generate a GitHub SSH key. This is an essential step if you want to securely connect your local machine to GitHub, allowing you to push and pull code without needing to enter your password every time. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to GitHub. Once you're on the GitHub homepage, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various preferences for your GitHub account. Next, look to the menu on the left and find the section labeled SSH and GPG keys. Click on that, and you'll be brought to a page that specifically handles your SSH and GPG keys. This is where you'll add your new SSH key, making it possible for your computer to authenticate with GitHub without repeatedly entering your credentials. On this page, you'll find a green button labeled New SSH Key. Click on it to open a form that will allow you to add a new key. Here, you'll need to fill out some details. The first field you'll see is for the title. This is simply a way for you to identify the key later on, so name it something descriptive like My Laptop or Work Computer. Now, we need to generate the actual SSH key. To do this, open your terminal or command prompt on your computer. If you're on Windows, you might use the command prompt or PowerShell, and if you're on a Mac or Linux, you'll use terminal. In the terminal, you'll want to type the command SSH keygen TRSAB 4096. C your email at example.com and press enter. Make sure to replace your email at example.com with the email address associated with your GitHub account. This command will generate a new SSH key using the RSA algorithm with a bit length of 4096. After entering the command, you'll be prompted to choose a location to save the key. By default, it will suggest a location, which is typically fine, so just hit enter. You'll then be asked to enter a passphrase. This step is optional, but adding a passphrase adds an extra layer of security. Type your passphrase if you choose to use one, or just press enter to skip this step. With the key generated, the next step is to add it to your GitHub account. Use the command cat.sshid_rsa_pub to display the contents of your public key in the terminal. Make sure to copy the entire output, as missing even a single character will cause issues later on. Now, return to the GitHub page where you left off. In the key field of the new SSH key form, paste the copied key. Double-check to ensure everything is correct, then click the Add SSH Key button to save it. You may be prompted to enter your GitHub password to confirm the action. And that's it. You've successfully generated and added an SSH key to your GitHub account. You're now ready to use SSH for secure and passwordless operations with GitHub. If you encounter any issues, make sure to recheck each step, especially the key contents. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.